Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to study about words related to clothes and some phrases related to shopping. So let's start. Today we are going to study 4 phrases. First will be words of clothes. Second, it fits nicely. Third, it's expensive or cheap. And fourth, do you take credit cards? Okay. So let's start with words of cloth, so that in future if you are in Korea you can use the words, the phrases, and you can do shopping in Korean, like malls and other markets and some shopping places. Got it? So what is cloth in Korean? Oath. Oath. Blue jeans. Jongpaji. Jongpaji. Skirt. Chima. Chima. Hat. Moja. Moja. Shoes. Shimbal. Shimbal. So basically in earlier chapter you had studied and you got when we are studying like about body parts, and at that point what is bal? Bal is foot. So here shimbal, shoes, shimbal. Next, running shoes, ondonghwa. Ondonghwa. Ondong is basically exercise, and ondonghwa means exercise, jogging, running shoes. Means shoes for jogging, running, walk related to exercise. So ondonghwa. Gloves, changa. Changa. Suit, chongjang. Chongjang. Tie, necktie. Necktie. Socks, yangmal. Yangmal. Dress shoes, khudu. Khudu. Glasses, eye related to eyes, so angong. Angong. So repeat after me. Oath, cloth, jongpaji, blue jeans, chima, skirt, moja, hat, shimbal, shoes, ondonghwa, running shoes, changa, gloves, chongjang, suit, necktie, tie, yangmal, socks, khudu, dress shoes, angong, glasses, a glass. So this is the most used phrases and words related to words of clothes. Next we will study our next phrase, that it fits nicely. Suppose you are in mall and you had tried some dress and someone said to you or your friend or whatever, you are with your family member and he or she can be like in Korean, it fits nicely. So what is fit? Fit here, fit denotes to size, appearance. So fit aulloyo. Aulloyo. And nicely and good, nice, chal. Chal. So just combine it and make a phrase. It fits nicely. Chal aulloyo. Chal aulloyo. Chal aulloyo. It fit nicely. Chal aulloyo. You can't remember in the first meeting. You just have to write it down and review day after tomorrow, after 2-3 days. In that case you can remember the phrase. So it fits nicely. Chal aulloyo. Chal aulloyo. So let's study with the help of example. Conversation. For example, you are in a mall and you had asked the manager, may I try this one? to the manager, may I try this one? Ego, ibo, bado, deo. You had studied the same in earlier chapters, right? Remember? Yes. When you are in shopping and you are about to like ego, ibo, bado, deo, thali, shilo, disayo. So that may I try this one comes from that. So just remember, ego, ibo, bado, deo. May I try this one? And manager will be like, of course. Mullo nijo. Mullo nijo. Mullo nijo. And 5 minutes later, when you are in front of the manager and you do things that the dress fits nicely and it looks good on you, so you are like, I like this one. Ige maume dilleo. Ige maume dilleo. This is the same phrase that you had studied earlier, shopping related phrase, right? So Ige maume dilleo. I like this one. Ige maume dilleo. And manager will be like, it fits nicely. Chalo leo. Chalo leo. Chal leo. So repeat after me from the very first point. Ego, ibo, bhadu, deo. May I try this one? Mulla nijo. Of course. And 5 minutes later, Ige maume dilleo. Ige maume dilleo. I like this one. Chalo leo. It fits nicely. Chalo leo. It fits nicely. So let's study our next phrase. It's expensive or cheap. So when you are in like mall, you can like express your feeling like it's really expensive, it's really cheap, or it's affordable, something like that. So in that case, and someone said it's really expensive or cheap, or suppose you are with your Korean friend and you are doing shopping with them, and he or she will be like, it's really expensive or cheap, and revert you in Korean, so you should understand what he or she saying. So just remember, what is expensive in Korean? 비싸요. 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 And cheap? 싸요. We just remove the P word and just only 싸요. 싸요. 비싸요. 싸요. Expensive. 비싸요. Cheap. 싸요. So suppose you have to express your feeling that it's really expensive. In that case, 너무 비싸요. 너무 비싸요. And suppose you got a very good discount, or you got a very good dress and affordable prices, and it may look like cheap to you. Then in that case, you can do express your feeling like that. It's really cheap. 너무 싸요. 너무 싸요. I had told you 너무 means very, really, right? Quite. So in that case, 너무 비싸요. It's really expensive. 너무 싸요. It's really cheap. 너무 비싸요. It's really expensive. 너무 싸요. It's really cheap. Okay, so let's study with the help of example. Suppose you are about to take a dress and you are to manager like, how much is this? 얼마예요? 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 And manager will be like, it's a 1 lakh won. 10만 원이요. 10만 원이요. 10만 원이요. Means 10만 원이요 means 1 lakh won. And you just have to express, wow, it's really expensive. Wow, 너무 비싸요. Wow, 너무 비싸요. Got my point? Suppose you had purchased a dress, suppose you had purchased a skirt, chima, and you're just like, how much is this? Alma ayo, and manager will be like 1 lakh won, shipment won ayo. So, and it's just a skirt, and you're not in a condition to purchase that much expensive dress, or you have to just express your feeling in that case. Wow, it's really expensive. Wow, no more pissayo. Wow, no more pissayo. Got my point? So this is about it's really expensive and cheap. Next, do you take credit cards? So what is credit card in Korean? Simyeon card. Simyeon card. Credit card. Simyeon card. Card is card and credit Simyeon. So credit card. Simyeon card. Simyeon card. Do you take Thayo? Thayo. So do you take credit cards? Simyeon card Thayo. Simyeon card Thayo. Simyeon card Thayo. So a person can be revert yes, ni, or aniyo. Okay, and in some cases you can also pronounce it like khadithweyo. Khadithweyo. It denotes that you are asking for credit cards. So you can just said like khadithweyo. Suppose you forget Simyeon khad, a long phrase. You can just put only khad thweyo. So just remember that khad thweyo also means do you take credit cards? Got my point? So just write it down for now and repeat after day after tomorrow, after 2-3 days. It will be helpful for you to memorize it. So repeat after me. Credit card, Simyeon khad. Do you take thweyo? So do you take credit card means Simyeon khad thweyo. Simyeon khad thweyo. In some cases khad thweyo. Khad thweyo. Got my point? So this is the additional point. Monthly installments, halbu. Suppose you are not in a position to pay at one time payment. In that case, you can ask for installments, or you can, if the installment facility available, so you can divide the money in installments. For example, 3 months, 6 months to 12 months. Like we purchase washing machine, some car, vehicle, or LED and fridge. In that case, we apply installment facility, right? So here too, you can ask for installments and can pay in monthly installments in 12 months. So what is monthly installment? Halbu. Halbu. So in that case, you want to do the payment in 3 months installments. Then in that case, samgewol halbu. Samgewol halbu. Samgewol halbu. So samgewol halbu. Sam is 3. Gewol 3 months installments. So samgewol halbu. And in that case, you are going to pay in 6 months installments. So in that case, yuggewol halbu. Yuggewol halbu. Yug is 6. Yuggewol halbu. Sorry. And suppose you are going to pay in 12 months installments, then in that case, ship igewol halbu. Ship igewol halbu. Ship igewol halbu. So just write it down. It's just for your information, but I think you don't need to. You are not going to make the payment installments but for your information, for your knowledge, just write it down and just take a grab and take a look into it. Halbu monthly installment, Samge Vol Halbu 3 months installment, Yugge Vol Halbu 6 month installment, Ship Ege Vol Halbu 12 months installments. Got my point? So this is all about words of clothes and some phrases related to that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and you just have to create a situation that you are in Korean mode and use the phrases that you have learned today, and you whatever you want to purchase, chima, changa, and angong. So go and just buy the product in Korean language. Thank you so much. I'll be there soon with my next chapter.